Hello everybody, my name is Maya Hoogland. I'm doing Erasmus in Toulon from September until February. My time is almost end here and I'm so sad about it because I've had lots of fun here. Especially in the beginning when everything is new and exciting. I've met so many nice new people from different countries. We went a lot to the beach, to parties, of course we also went to school. There are some things here that you should know about. You shouldn't go and live on a campus because it's a cold and dirty place and you lose many freedom because they have so many rules. If you have a car you should take it because the buses don't go very often. At last I would like to tell you, don't take a bank account at BNP Paribas because you will have some problems with them. Anyway, if you come here you will have lots of fun. Good luck and goodbye.